tell me she was your daughter? Did you tell me she was your daughter? Did you tell me she was your daughter?
Why is the camera?
You told me she was your niece. You bloody liar.
Man, you go to no camera.
Get out.
Man, you go to
camera. And you may post here.
Camera.
People will know you for who you are. People will know you for who you are. You're a devil.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, you get one video when I see today. The video really like it shocked me. Where one woman they cry, they say, why your husband not tell and say he get pikin? Why your husband not tell and say he get pikin? The woman just they paddle, they shout, they cry, you know. I can't be surprised by people. When this woman they shout, they cry, they say, why your husband not tell her the pikin must come up for the house, this, that. Madam, take am easy. I know say they very painful. The man say they beg you. I know say they very painful. Say the husband or the man not tell you. You can't just it can't be like say he put law into his hands. You understand? It's very bad. But take am easy, my sister. The way you take the shot, like say now somebody na by take am easy. Even the pikin they innocent now. So the way you just say make it come on, make one for the house. Madam, take am easy. Take am easy. Na quarrel. Take am easy. The man, I know say he not do well with the not to tell you, but take am easy. Take am easy. I will hear me na me back more. Take am easy, my sister. The way you were shouting like somebody by. I don't say the man like say the pikin na his sister are pikin, but whereas na him own. Maybe because you know say when a person don't lie at the beginning, to come talk true, to come the hard and listen at what happen to that man. But take am easy, my sister. Nobody buy na pikin na he born. You not by person. Ma put the video make one. I say I'm going to share this video. Let the video go viral. Bye everybody. Bye.
Did you tell me she was your daughter? Did you tell me she was your daughter? Did you tell me she was your daughter?
Why is the camera?
You told me she was your niece. You bloody liar.
Man, you go to no camera.
Get out.
Man, you go to
and you may post here.
Camera.
You may post here. People will know you for who you are. People will know you for who you are. You're a devil. You're a devil. People will know you for who you are. Get out of this house. Get out of this house. Choma, leave this house.
There's nothing.
Choma, leave this house.
Leave alone.
Choma, leave this house. Choma, leave this house. Choma, leave this house. Mommy, Mommy, leave this place. Leave this place.
No, she's not.
Leave this house. Leave here. Leave. Children, go upstairs. All of you go upstairs. Go upstairs, children. All of you go upstairs. Choma, leave my house. Leave my house. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Come down. Leave me. Someone's knocking at the door. Someone's knocking at the door. I don't care. Someone is knocking. I don't care. Idiot. I don't care. You're an idiot. People will know you. People will know you. Mommy, Ramaga. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Who is knocking? Who is at the door? Leave me alone. I don't care even if it's neighbors. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me. Come out of my way. 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 This is this. I'm going to tear all of your clothes. I will tear every of your clothes. I will tear every of your clothes. Leave me alone. Leave me. Leave me. I don't care. Is she your daughter? Is she your daughter or not? Is she your daughter? You lied to me. You bloody liar. Did you tell me she was your daughter? Did you tell me she was your daughter? Did you tell me she was your daughter?
Why is the camera?
You told me she was your niece. You bloody liar.
Man, you go to no camera.
Get out.
Man, you go to
and you may post here.
Camera.
You may post here. People will know you for who you are. People will know you for who you are.
What happened in that video was that her husband told her that he wanted to bring his niece over, not knowing his niece was his daughter. Waiting pay me for this video be say when I been they watch the video, the other gender they beside me they thought say, why the woman they para like that? She won't ruin the pikin mental health. Why she no go para like that? Her husband will go knock another woman born pikin. No say the pikin mental health go ruin before. The pikin mental health. In wife no get mental health. You don't get full family, complete family, happy family. But you thought say it never do you. You won't go knock another woman without protection. Bring the pikin come house, come give your wife. Make she can't laugh, they clap am for you. Oh, my husband, you really did this for me? Another baby girl? Wow. Don't forget say the woman self get mental health. The woman self na person pikin. Why did you lie to your wife? If you don't F up, you know tell your wife say you don't F up. You know tell her the truth. What's the back and forth for? They lie say your pikin na your niece. Okay, as mumu where she be. Make she can't take care of your niece. 25 years later, come find out say na your pikin. That's unfair. I know say the pikin dey innocent, but you as the papa, you supposed to know wetin dey come for you. Before you bring the pikin come your matrimonial home, you for tell your wife the truth. Because this thing where you do so, lie to your wife say your pikin na your niece, hoping that she will never find out. That means say you dey call the woman mumuna. You don't see her finish say she no get sense. She no ever code am. The truth will never be told because your wife na zombie, abi or there. You no rate her na. If you rate her, you for tell her the truth. Normally some women get good at. They go take care of the pikin like their own. But your approach towards this situation indicates how she will react. Oh my god, you men act like you're smart, but you are not. Sometimes we women try to play dumb, but we are not. I feel sorry for the child and what her future is gonna look like. But let her blame it on her dad because he was a cheat, because her father is not a honest man. Okay, may will leave the woman's side small. Now imagine your dad introducing you as his niece. Una see as the man keep quiet for that video. That alone supposed show una say the man don't commit. Una know how men be. When they see camera, they won't show say that they right. What do you mean? But see as he quiet, guilty as charged. They don't hold am for neck. Mona allow that woman behave anyhow she won't behave. She has the right to. She is angry as a human being. She feels betrayed. Mona allow her. Because on her now they talk say, why would she do that in front of the child? If you reach on her tongue, now go do worse. So allow a hurt woman to act the way she wants. Abi when una they do marriage vows, una they add say secrets go there. No. So what's all the secrets for? Husband go get full family outside marriage, wife no go know. Husband go get full life outside, wife no go know. Are you supposed to hide anything from your wife? You get one stand-up comedy where they watch yesterday night. Guy they using wife they crack joke, saying wife they searching phone. He go asking colleague say how I go lock my phone when my wife no go search my phone. Why you go lock your phone? Una see why they talk say women stay woke as in woke. These men be doing the most. If you be woman now they watch this thing and your husband they beside you, take style look and small and look and small. You see as in they looking so innocent, no secrets. In fact, na just knack finish. The love don't expand. That man figure secrets where be say if you hear him, you will faint 100 times. Yes, that man. It is not too late to leave. Like I always say, and I will keep saying, any man will no respect you, no need you for in life. If they try tell you say no level, you self excuse yourself. Marriage is a journey of two different people agreeing to bring their differences together, then live, grow and build together. Before una starts that journey, there was an oath called for better for worse. For better for worse means say you no go hide anything from your past. You tell your wife. So you now we talk say your head be agidi, you want to keep secrets. Now be say you dey ready to ruin that marriage. That is to say a lot of women in their husband's house are strangers and not wives. Again, I am Say the Borch, the voice of the girl child.